I'm the managing director of Marvel Geospatial Solutions. We are into this geospatial solutions and services for the last 15 years. We have been into satellite imagery processing, aerial imagery processing, and now into drone imagery processing, and also now we are into anti-drone systems monitoring as well. We are working with all the government customers in India and overseas as well. We have our offices in Middle East, we have our office in US, UK and Canada as well. So we are into national development projects for SVAMITVA, which is a national flagship project for the Prime Minister of India, mapping all the Abadi areas in 6.5 lakh villages all over India. And apart from that, we are also working on Bharatmala project, which is a flagship project, another flagship project for the current government, with connecting of all the roads all over India. So we are also working on that. We are mapping around 3,500 kilometers every month. And we have almost mapped 1 lakh linear kilometers of Bharatmala project by now. So, and we are also coming out with unique products in India, which are replacement for all the Chinese products. We are manufacturer, DGCA approved manufacturer for drones in India, and we are also working with couple of companies from Australia and the US for LiDAR sensors and supporting systems. So we are working in northeastern area to down south to Kanyakumari. We are present in all over India.